They're sheep. He's so cute. You're so cute. You're so cute. Yes, you are. Yes, you're so cute. Does not seem interested in my baby talk. Are you hot? Are you hot? There's a donkey over here. This donkey reminds me of how I behave at times. Sometimes when I talk political talk, I'm like one of these donkeys.
Oh my gosh, that baby is precious.
Oh God, I hope this donkey is not gonna bite me. Oh my God, donkey, why do you guys love me so? No, he's letting me pet him.
Oh my gosh, they always like you more.
That donkey has shit on him. How did you get cuck-a-poo-poo on you?
What a cute little baby goat.
You good donkey. You the good donkey. Oh my God, it's a baby goat.
I want to pet the donkey. They came right up to you. They didn't come up to me. Can I sit?
You want to pet the donkey? Come here, goat. Come here.
I don't know if they like being scratched behind the ear. Do you want more?
And there's an ostrich over there.
And I'm looking at the breathing. Looking at the ears. Okay, give him more.
The donkey lets me pet it and then it bites you. We got some more lilies.
What about you? How you doing today? Ooh, I see that your muscles are flinching a little bit. Oh,
Got a chicken, a rooster.
what is that? Why your muscles flinch?
Hey, little Woozy. Hey. He's so cute. He's so cute.
Breathe on me. So pretty.
Mm-hmm. And there's a llama. Hey llama. Emperor of Cusco. Llamas will spit on you. Oh my goodness, this ostrich is coming to hang out with me. Oh my God, that thing is prehistoric. I bet you that thing can kick you right in the face so hard it'll break your oculus. And that's the cow. I wonder if the cow has to tell the llama to beat it. It's like a dinosaur. That's probably what a T-Rex sounded like. Thing sounds like a tiger. Oh my god. Ah.
Oh.
That's what it sounds like before the T-Rex bites you.
That thing?
Oh my goodness.
He's got like 4 eyes.
Zooming in on him. On his dinosaur face.
That's terrible.
Whoa, Dad. And it has feathers. The mystery is solved. Dinosaurs had feathers.
His face is like blue.
This llama's eyeballing me. The rooster's afraid of me, but it's not afraid of you. Nope, never mind. It's not afraid of me. I wonder what the rooster's pecking at. Oh, whatever lives. Oh my goodness, they're piggy.
Just like this. I'm gonna have pigs.
And they feed them the gourds. And they feed them peaches.
Look how they're sleeping.
These pigs have it made in the shade. Literally.
Cody, can I not leave?
These pigs get to eat peaches and apples
I think
and gourds.
at first I thought that these peaches are grown here in the ground, but now I realize this is their food.
And they get to love each other and be a family. They got it better than humans sometimes.
I think I got a cool picture of the pigs.
They even have sunflowers in their enclosure.
They do look like Brady. They look a lot like Brady. Oh, they're so cute. Oh my goodness.